Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Inland Jewelers. In its project description, you are an account manager for Inland Jewelers, a regional company that makes custom glass rings for graduation seniors. Your supervisor requested a workbook to report on new account created on payment plan. The report should provide details on the total cost to the student as well as payment information. Each ring finance has a base price that can fluctuate based on the ring's personalization. We will move to our first step. Start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 02 Cumulative Inland Jewelers. That is our file. I have already downloaded this file. So we will move to our second step. Our second step is insert a function in the cell B2 to display the current date from your system. So we will go to the cell B2, that is our cell B2. We will put is equal to today start bracket and our close bracket and press enter. So we have put a today date. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Cengage courses, Pearson Plus courses, Canvas course, or any other academic course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or my WhatsApp barcode is given in the first of the video and at the last of the video, or you can just contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Now we will move to our third step. Our third step is with the cell B2 selected, set the width of the auto fit. So we will go to the cell B2 and make it double select the column B. So it's out of it. You see the date here in the cell B2 is the exact date we have in our system, that is 362024. So that's our third step. Our fourth step is insert a VLOOKUP function in the cell C5 to display the ring cost for the first student. The cost of the ring type should be exact match. Use the appropriate relative and absolute cell references. So we will go here in the cell C5. We will put VLOOKUP. We will start our bracket. Lookup value should be in the cell B column. So and lookup value is the table here with the price and name of the things. We will make it as an absolute reference by putting $sign in this. And what is the table array? We need to use the column index. Second column we need cost here in our column, and we need to use as a exact match, which is false, and close our brackets. You see we have got our results 400 for silver. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is fill the function from the cell C5 to the range C6 to C11. So we need to fill this up to C11. You see we have got the same price. You can check randomly as a titanium price is 700. Titanium is $700. Here titanium $700. So that's our fifth step. Our sixth step is apply accounting number format to the range C5 to C11. So we need to apply accounting number format to the C5 to C11. We will just select accounting number. We will press when we will press Control +1. We have got this slide and we will make it as accounting number and press OK. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is insert if function in the cell E5 to calculate the total due. If the student has chosen to personalize the ring, there is an additional charge of 5% located in the B21 that must be added to the cost of the ring. If not, the student only pays the base price. Use the appropriate relative and absolute cell references. So we will go to the cell E5, that is our cell E5. We will put if formula We will start our bracket. Logical test is if D5 is equal to yes, we will put yes in the inverted commas. Then what is our result? Value must be C5 plus start of bracket C5 multiplied by B21, 5% of the total cost. So we will make it as an absolute reference by putting dollar sign and close this bracket. And if value is false, then the value is the cost of the ring. So we will close our brackets and press enter. We have got our results in the cell E5. That's our 7th step. Our 8th step is fill the function from cell E5 to the range E6 to E11. We will fill the formula up to E11 by dragging down this one. You see, if it is yes, then he needs to pay additional 5% cost. If no, the cost will be only the cost of the ring. So that's our 8th step. Our 9th step is apply the counting number format to the range E5 to E11. We will just press Ctrl plus 1 and we will go to the counting number and press OK. We have got a counting number format here. That's our 9th step. We have total 15 steps in this assignment. I have performed 9 steps in this video. If you want me to do the remaining steps of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan my WhatsApp barcode that is given in the start of the video and at the end of the video to directly come on the inbox of my WhatsApp. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.